Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Imagination Station, a place that has the answers to all your questions. When I say I have the answers to all your questions, I mean I have the answers to all your questions. And today, we are going to do just that. These are 20 simple answers to some unusual questions. So, without further ado, grab the tickets by subscribing to the channel and all aboard. Number 1. Do fish get thirsty? Since there is no way to measure if an animal is thirsty, a more relevant question would be, do fish drink water? And the answer to that question would be yes. But only saltwater fishes drink water. Freshwater fish don't need to. It's all due to a process called osmosis. Number 2. What is the highest anyone has ever counted up to? Can you guess it? A software engineer made a Guinness World Record by reading numbers loud off a computer screen for 89 days in 2007. He counted up to 1 million. Number 3. How do we know what noises did the dinosaurs make? I literally made a whole video on this topic. Check it out if you want to see how dinosaur sounds are made. I'll give a link in the description. But to give a brief answer to your question, by scanning dino skulls. Number 4. Why do wet objects look darker even though the water is clean? We see objects when the light bounces off of them and enters our eyes. The more light that makes it to your eyes, the brighter an object appears. A wet surface makes it harder for the light to bounce its way back to us and hence the darker appearance. Number 5. How much does the earth weigh? Technically speaking, the earth weighs nothing because weight is the force with which the earth pulls something towards its core. Since nothing pulls earth, it weighs nothing. However, earth has a mass and that is roughly 5.972 into 10 to the power 24 kilograms. And that, my friends, is one big rock. Number 6. Why are there only 7 colors in the rainbow? Actually, there are infinite colors in the rainbow. The sun emits X rays, UV rays, light of course, infrared rays, and even radio waves. And all of these are present in the electromagnetic spectrum of the rainbow. However, we can perceive only the visible part of it, that is, the 7 colored spectrum, and hence we can see only the 7 colors. Number 7. Coconuts also have hair and produce milk. Why aren't they classified as mammals? Because coconuts are cold blooded. If you were to microwave a coconut, it could temporarily become a mammal. Number 8. What would the sun sound like? Well, because there is no medium for actual sound waves to travel to us, we can hear nothing. However, scientists measured the changing light waves from the sun using an instrument called the Doppler graph, and the resulting audio was this. Use the headphones to actually get what the real sun sounds like. Number 9. How deep have we reached into the Earth's surface? That would be the Kola Super Deep Borehole. The German Continental Deep Drilling Program reached 12,262 meters or 12.26 kilometers. Number 10. What is the closest living relative to the T Rex? According to the Smithsonian Magazine, the closest relative to the T Rex is a chicken. No, really, scientists discovered some unfossilized collagen inside a T Rex femur in 2003. On comparing it with 21 different living animals, the T Rex proved to be most similar to chickens. Number 11. What makes us humans? Our ability to think. More specifically, our ability to consider different outcomes in the future. Our rationality, morality, formality, and brutality. All of this makes us humans and different from other animals. Number 12. What is the highest speed achieved by human beings? 39,937 kilometers per hour. On 26th May 1969, the astronauts on board Apollo 10 command module achieved this speed at a height of 121.9 kilometers from the ground. Number 13. What is at the deepest part of the ocean? Whether you will find any prehistoric beast lurking in the ocean is unknown, but one thing that you will surely find at the bottom of the ocean is pressure. 15,000 pounds per square inch. That is like an African bush elephant on every inch of your body. Number 14. What if you ever fell inside a black hole? Falling inside a black hole has many possible consequences. One of them is when you cross the event horizon. And if that happens, your fate is sealed. Because after the event horizon, nothing escapes the black hole, not even light. And that includes you. You would be pulled apart from the head to toe and be crushed around your waist in a process aptly named spaghettification. And as you cross the event horizon, you would start your journey towards the center of the black hole called singularity. And when you reach the singularity, what would happen to you is unknown. One guess is you would turn into pure energy, and you, my dear viewer, would no longer exist. Number 15. Can we live forever? Hypothetically speaking, yes, we can. And no, we can't. There are many animals that show biological immortality with decreased or no senescence. That means they never get old. However, decreased senescence does not mean invincibility. That is, they are also susceptible to factors like diseases and injury, and so would we. Hence, technically speaking, we can prolong our lifespans, but we can't be immortal. And trust me, you would not want to be immortal. Number 16. Is time travel possible? Again, yes and no. According to special theory of relativity, the faster we go, the slower time passes for us. So technically, we can travel into the future, but there is no returning back into the past. Number 17. Are we going to evolve any further in the future? You see, evolution and natural selection are active processes, and humans are also not immune to evolution. However, slowed down due to factors like advanced medicine, better living conditions, and better lifestyle, humans will still evolve and change in the future. Number 18. What was there before the Big Bang? Short answer, we don't know. Long answer, there could have been a plethora of many different possibilities, each mind boggling in its own way. Some claim that there was an extremely dense and infinitesimally small point known as the singularity in an empty space. A related theory holds that the Big Bang wasn't a beginning of anything, but rather a moment of time when the universe switched from a period of contraction to a period of expansion. Number 19. How did life begin? There are many different theories. Some say life evolved in the hydrothermal vents in the deep sea. Others say life first originated in a primordial soup of amino acids and other organic materials. Some scientists also claim that life actually originated somewhere else in the space and came to Earth via an asteroid or a comet. All we know right now is that the truth may lie somewhere in between. Number 20. What will happen after we die? While we can't say for sure what happens after death in the spiritual realm, what we can say is that those who really love us miss us. And that was the video, guys. 20 of those questions that might have come to your minds someday, sometimes. Thank you so much for watching, and hit that like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of such amazing and science-filled content. Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you want them also to be smart. And don't forget to tell me in the comments what you want to see in the next video. And those who have already told me, I want to tell you that you have been heard loud and clear, and the next video with your suggestions is coming soon. Thank you so much for watching again. Keep learning. Have a great day.